getting my pedal board back up and running, and gonna find some good pedals to use for the upcoming sets. Nothing too wild, I say that now, but might end up being something wild on there. So right now I got compressor, octave, drive into a synth pedal, which is right now just doing a little bit of chorusing and a little bit of delay, into an envelope filter. Just real subtle compression. So don't really need modulation to delay. So switched out the overdrive for a fuzz thing. Sort of adds an octave up at the top end and an octave downy thing at the bottom end. Put on this Mantic pedal, which is called the Thug. Kind of makes everything hit harder. Reordered it so that it's more of a modular synthy thing. Octave, fuzz, and envelope.